What's up, you guys? Got Mike here from Mike'sMoneyTips.com today. Coming at you with another quick video. As you see on the screen, what you need to know to start affiliate marketing. I wish I'd known this whenever I started. It probably would have made my job a lot easier to get started. Which, I'm just really starting out. But I've been doing this about 7 months, and I'm still struggling just like the rest of us. Still got a full-time job. But that's okay. We're all here to learn. We're all here to make money. So, without further ado, let's get started. It's a skill, not a magic pill. Basically what it is, you see these gurus online. We've all seen them making $500, $1,000, $2,000 a day. And we all want to crush it like that. I'm no different. Lord knows I'm no different on that one. But, it's a skill. We've got to hone in our skill. Without that, we'll never make a dollar. I promise you. We will get there. And whenever we do, we can all be at the top of the mountain screaming and hollering, being that 1%. Yeah, it's all mindset and all skills. And as long as we do it, we'll be there. Enjoy the process of making the money, not just focusing on the result. Because if you just focused on the result, you'll never get there. I remember whenever I stopped focusing on the result, I actually started making a few sales here and there. No, I'm not making nowhere near enough money to retire or quit my job or anything else, but I have started to see results. And that was whenever I finally said, well, if nothing else, I still got a job, so it don't matter as much. But, it's all about the process of growing and learning and doing and understanding what we have to do in order to get there. I'm very much enjoying the process. I'm actually gotten kind of comfortable in making these YouTube videos, and I'm really enjoying letting y'all know what I'm learning. So, it is a process, and I'm actually getting to where I really enjoy the process. Focus on one method for affiliate marketing. If use whatever social platform that you're on that's free. For, like if you're on Facebook all day, the algorithm basically of Facebook, what they're going to say. If you're on Instagram, same thing. Pinterest, same thing. I'm on YouTube. I'm a YouTube junkie. I'm on YouTube. God, I'm probably watching YouTube videos 10 to 12 hours a day, even while I'm at work, because of the job I do. I can do it. So, I am a YouTube junkie, so that's the reason why I'm here. And trying to promote my products here. Because if I just, I'm not big on Facebook or Instagram. I like Pinterest, but I'm not really there to market. I'm there to enjoy and look for things. So I don't market there. But YouTube just don't take, it takes a while, don't get me wrong, to edit it and everything, but it's not like it's really hard to focus on what you're doing. You can make a video a day, and it's fairly simple, so it's not that bad. It is, it's not bad at all. It's like I said, I still work a full-time job. I work minimum 6 days a week, so, and anywhere between 8 and 10 hours a day. So anybody says they don't have time for this, I just can't buy it. Take action. Whether you're right or wrong, it really doesn't matter. Listen to the feedback. Learn from your mistakes. Let me say that again. Learn from your mistakes. take action. As long as you're learning, I don't care if you spend every dollar you have, as long as you learn something in the process, it's a beautiful thing. Hopefully you don't do it, because, none of us want to be broke. So, but, if you do learn, at least you learn something. And, even if it's the wrong action, not to do it again. If it's the right action, repeat. Rinse and repeat. Keep going. It will eventually take off, I promise. And definitely invest in yourself. Courses, tools, mentors. My first course that I bought is actually the first link in the description, and it is my number one recommendation. By far, it's what has taught me just about everything I know about true affiliate marketing, not just what you can get off of YouTube or what you can get for free off the internet or whatever. It is probably the best course that I've seen out there. As far as tools, if you're an affiliate marketer, you don't know what ClickFunnels is, check out the link in the description. It will explain it. It is probably the easiest way to build a website or a funnel for you to sell your products. It really is simple. It's simple, click and drag, and you're done. I mean, it don't get much simpler. But see, with the courses, you actually learn. The course that I'm with teaches you about a lot of the affiliate networks, not just ClickBank. It teaches you about Facebook ads. It teaches you about Google ads. It teaches you about a lot of different things. So it's great, and it also has mentors. It has Facebook communities. It has. And whenever I say Facebook communities, these are private groups. You can't get in unless you are part of these groups. I mean, and it has mentors in there that are making 6 and 7, 8, even one of them making 9 figures. So I mean, it is a very good place. That's where I put in the mentors at. The tools, you got ClickFunnels. You got your Aweber, GetResponse, or whatever you decide to use for autoresponder. You have to invest in yourself if you really want to shortcut it and make the most money as fast as you can. Trust me, if you don't, you never will. Connect with other people doing the same thing as you. There again, talk about Facebook groups. Your family's going to probably look at you and call you a dreamer, or look at you and say, "Are you sure you know what you're doing? You've got a good job. Why are you trying to do this?" You're going to hear all that. Find people that support you, whether it be on Facebook, in real life. Find mentors. Find other people that are doing the same thing, that don't think it's just a pipe dream. Because if you don't, that's all you're ever going to get, is people saying that you're just doing this and you're never going to make any money. As long as you have somebody supporting you and pushing you, I promise you, you will see results. Just keep going. It's all a mindset. As long as you don't stop and don't have that shiny object syndrome. Trust me, we all have it. I mean, I still see things advertised and I'm like, I wonder if that's better. But I try not to go there because I know I'm focusing here. So, And fellas, please like and subscribe. I come to you 5 days a week with video. Monday through Friday. So, at least Monday through Friday Eastern time, 5:30 in the morning, I schedule them every day to release. So please like and subscribe. It'd be greatly appreciated and help the channel out. Thank you.